Date is the 24th of July 2021. This is Suitsikatu 13, staircase E here, and Metsäkangas, one of the suburbs of Lahti. Lahti is at Hämeentalo, and this one has 8 floors. Was built in late 1976 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 45 years old this year in 2021. While I was Otis in 1999 with these folding doors. The serial number SP1 is it's 8669 for the newer one, and the old serial number is VS4252 because these swappers are 25, so it's going to be in 2023. See through a little bit there.
Yeah.
And of course, what's enough here? Oh,
Yeah.
that door was a bit.
You can press.
Yeah. And they really should have put windows here because the other doors have windows.
Yeah.
If they didn't have windows, then it wouldn't be so bad. But I think this is like because they don't have windows inside. It's strange because they could have done it.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's